Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Truth of India. Today we are going to talk about the smartphone that is creating a lot of buzz in the budget and mid-range segment. Yes, I am talking about Redmi Note 15, which is expected to launch with a powerful 108 MP camera, master pixel camera. This December and expected to cost you between 15,000 to 20,000. This video will cover confirmed camera details, expected specification, performance, battery price, and whether this phone is worth waiting for. Redmi Note series has always been known for strong camera performance, big battery, smooth display, affordable pricing. With the Redmi Note 15, Xiaomi is taking things one step further by introducing a 108 MP main camera, which is rare in the price category. 108 MP master picture camera. Let's start with big highlight the camera. The Redmi Note 15 will feature 108 MP primary rear camera branded as Master Pixel Edition. This camera is expected to deliver extremely high detail photo, better low light performance using pixel binning, improved dynamic range and sharper zoom image. For Instagram creator, YouTubers, mobile photographers, this camera will be game changer in this segment. On the front, the phone is expected to have 20 MP selfie camera, perfect for selfie, video calls and short videos. Now let's talk about the display. Redmi Note 15 is expected to come with 6.7 to 6.8 inch AMOLED display, Full HD resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, curved slim bezel design, smooth scrolling, bright and patchy colors, great experience with Netflix, YouTube, and gaming. The display will definitely be one of the strongest features. Talking about the performance, Redmi Note 15 is expected to power by Snapdragon 6 Generation 3 processor. The chipset is designed for fast day-to-day uses, smooth multitasking, and efficient battery consumption. You can easily run social media apps, online classes, photo and video editing, games like BGMI, Free Fire, COD on medium to high setting. For students and normal users, performance will be very reliable. Now the gaming and heating issue. For gaming lovers, 120 Hz display improves smoothness, good frame stability, control heating due to efficient chipset. This is not a hardcore gaming phone, but for a casual and regular gaming, it performs very well. Now come to the battery and fast charging. Battery is another strong area. Redmi Note 15 is expected to pack 5500 mAh battery, 45-watt fast charging. This means easily one full day heavy use. Up to 1.5 days for normal users. Fast charging saves a lot of time, perfect for users who stay out all day. Now, software and features. The phone will run on latest Android version Xiaomi Hyper OS. Key features include smooth UI animation, dark mode, game turbo, app lock, and privacy features. Custom themes, some pre-installed apps may be there, but most can be removed. Connectivity and extras, 5G connectivity, dual SIM support, stereo and loud mono speaker, in-display or side finger spinner, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi latest version. Everything you need in a modern smartphone. Expected price and the variant. Now let's talk about price. Redmi Note 15 108 MP edition is expected to launch around 18,000 to 22,000, but hope you'll The price will be around 15,000 20,000. Considering 108 MP camera, AMOLED 120Hz display, big battery life. This phone offers excellent value of money. So do you want to Redmi Note 15 108 MP phone camera? Yes, if you want best camera in the segment, stylish design, long battery life, smooth display. Not ideal if you want flagship level gaming only. If you're a gaming lover, then Note 15 is not for you. Overall, Redmi 15 looks like a strong all-rounder smartphone with powerful camera focus. This is for today's video. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you're excited about 108 MP camera. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.